Dive into English. Take a swim, explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're going to explore what it means to take a swim. Whether you're at the beach, a pool, or just planning your next vacation, knowing how to use this phrase can add a splash of fun to your conversations. Take a swim is a phrase that simply means to go swimming. It's an informal expression that suggests the action of swimming as a leisure activity. When someone says they're going to take a swim, it implies that they are about to enjoy a period of swimming. Let's look at the phrase more closely. Take, in this context, means to engage in an activity. It's similar to other expressions like take a walk or take a nap, where take precedes a noun describing an activity. Swim here is a noun that refers to the act of swimming. Now, let's see how to use take a swim in sentences. After lunch, we decided to take a swim in the lake. The hotel has a pool, so you can take a swim whenever you like. It was so hot yesterday that I took a swim to cool off. In many English-speaking countries, swimming is a popular summer activity. So, this phrase is often associated with relaxation and vacation time. It's a casual phrase that conveys a sense of relaxation, used when the swimming is for pleasure rather than exercise or competition. It's important to note that take a swim is not typically used in formal situations or when referring to competitive swimming. In these contexts, one might simply say swim or go swimming instead. For example, incorrect, he will take a swim in the Olympics. Correct, he will compete in swimming in the Olympics. Thank you for watching our video on take a swim. We hope you now feel confident using this phrase in your next English conversation. Remember, learning a new language is like swimming. Sometimes, you just have to dive in and enjoy the process. Keep practicing, and stay tuned for more English tips. Happy swimming, and happy learning!